Hello everyone, I am Deborah bringing you another low carb recipe that you can use whether you are following a low carb diet or not. You guys, thank you so much for joining me first of all, and if you're joining me for the first time and not yet subscribed to my channel, do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below. Remember to give this video a like and a share. You guys, thank me now or thank me later, but you are going to thank me for today's recipe because it is a low carb, high protein, super simple, delicious dessert. And I am calling this a no-bake cheesecake parfait, you guys. And it's made with cottage cheese. And as you can see on the screen, that's what it looks like. Look at this, you guys. Absolutely delicious and perfect for the summer. Make them in advance. Pull them out right before your guests arrive and you have got yourselves the perfect dessert. It presents well, it tastes delicious, and again, it is oh so simple to make. So enough talk, you guys. All the ingredients that you need to put this together are on the screen. Get them all together, come in close, and let's make a no-bake cheesecake parfait. Coming up next. Okay, first we need to start with the crumble. So in this bowl, I've got some almond flour into it. I am going to add some sweetener, ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, and some melted butter. And combine. All of this is well combined, so let's go ahead and set it aside and assemble the filling. In this bowl, we have our cottage cheese, which has been creamed using my NutriBullet. If you're interested in purchasing one, I will leave the link in my description, you guys. Absolutely love that NutriBullet. And what I do, as I had mentioned before, because I'm using this cottage cheese so much in my recipes recently, I go ahead, after I purchase the cottage cheese, I go ahead and blend it so it's nice and smooth, put it back in the container, refrigerate it, so it's ready when I'm ready. So to this, we are going to add some protein powder. And the one that I use, I will leave in the description as well. Some sweetener. And some lemon juice. And mix. All right, guys. So everything is well combined, nice and smooth. The last thing I'm going to do is to add some lemon zest. And this smells amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's give this a taste. Absolutely delicious. It tastes just like a cheesecake filling. Okay, you guys, this is ready. So the next thing I need to do is to clear all of this out. I'm going to bring over my containers and we are going to assemble everything and then we will refrigerate. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone. So these are my mini dessert cups and I'm going to start with putting some of this crumb at the bottom of each one. And just evenly distribute this crumble in all of the containers. Some may have a little bit more than others, and that is okay. Like I said, this is a very easy recipe, so we're not going to be too fussy about it. Okay, all right, you guys, so set this aside, and let's bring over our cream cheese filling. And I've got a little scoop here. And just proceed to fill these up to the top. All right, guys. A little bit more here. Okay, let's go ahead and set this aside. All right. And here we have it, you guys. These are ready to go into the refrigerator to set maybe for about 2 hours or so. And then at that point, we'll take them out and we will put on the finishing touch, which will be our fresh fruit. One other thing before I take these off to the fridge, what you can also do too, okay, just to get some of this cream cheese to flow down to the bottom, just simply take it and give it a gentle tap. And as you can see, this cream cheese filling is starting to, this cottage cheese filling is starting to flow down to the bottom to meet this crumble. And it just gives it a nice look. Not necessary, but I just like the way that looks. Okay, and off to the fridge these go. Okay, guys, so while those cheesecake parfaits are resting in the fridge, let me just show you this beautiful display of fresh fruit that I have that you can serve them with. I've got some blackberries, raspberries, some strawberries, and a lemon wedge that I coated with some sweetener and put in the freezer to set. And I did the same thing with these fresh fruit as well. I sprinkled them with some sweetener. And these are all set to go on top. And what you can do is you can go ahead and pre-assemble your parfaits by putting some of this fresh fruit on top, or you could just set the fresh fruit out and along with the parfaits and then let your guests serve themselves with the fruit of their choice. Okay, everyone, time to give this deliciousness a taste. Lord, I thank you. Oh my gosh. As I said at the beginning, one of these low-carb recipes that everybody can enjoy. Whether you're following a low-carb diet or not does not matter. This thing is phenomenal, you guys. And once again, quick, easy, low-carb, high-protein, and absolutely delicious. Give it a try, and when you do, please let everybody know how you made it your own kind of special. Thank you guys again so much for joining me. And remember to give this video a like and share, and please do subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so before, because this is where you will continue to find delicious low-carb recipes such as this that everybody can enjoy. I want to thank you again for being here. Remember, it is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special, and keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you all real soon on my next Fit 550, and enjoy.